know what you're all thinking. Vicky, where have you been? Where have you bloody been? So I have attempted numerous times to pick up you, the GoPro, ever since the start of January, but we are now on the 5th of February, and here we are. I've just done the foot bath. As you can see, it's all pretty and blue, and I'm going to take into power washing the dairy and the parlour, which may take me more than the time I have scheduled. We just got open from TB this week, so beef stock or like beef calves and stuff like that can all go. We have ewes lambing, anything else to update you on? No? Let's wash this wall then, shall we? Okay. So the majority of the gunk off that, and then I'm going to foam it with a solution that will help dissolve the fats and stuff on the wall and make my life a little bit easier. Okay, so I've just diluted some of the Kilco Eco Foam advanced spray. It's for like walls and things. Oh, my knees. And we attach this onto the power washer gun, spray it on, leave it for about 5-10 minutes, and then it should just wash off like a dream. Spread it here too, and I don't know if the camera's picking up, you can literally see the dirt running off the wall. Spread there, and spread there, and there. I mean, if you're standing in front of me, I'd have sprayed you. So we'll leave that for a few minutes and wash it off. Ran out of petrol, didn't I? Look how good it was going. But I can put the petrol in that power washer myself, but I can't kickstart it myself, and Dale isn't here, so I'm going to have to wait. However, that stuff, what is it? The Kilco Eco Foam, an absolute dream. Because you will see, you see me washing that wall, and I chopped and changed the different turbo heads because it just was a bit tough. I didn't do that with this one. I left that stuff on for a good 10 minutes while I like blew down cobwebs and stuff. An absolute dream. Like, seriously, no effort at all. And then Victoria goes and runs out of petrol. I was really enjoying myself too. So hopefully I'll get to finish some more of it when Dale gets back. I don't know how long it's going to be. I think I need a new power washer, an electrical one that I can actually use myself, because that one is a nightmare to start. It's a petrol operated one that you have to pull, and I can't do it. I don't have the strength to pull it, and I have to rely on him to do it the whole time. Anyway, we're getting there. We're getting there. Hopefully I'll get to see more of this before milking time. Okay? Try and do that with one hand, you know. So I'm gonna finish scraping down the beds, pushing the cows around. Dale's washing the cows' feet because they're going through the foot bath. Let me show you. Wait till you see this for complete cuteness. Hello everybody! What are you doing out here? Hello? What are you doing out here? What are you doing out here? Hi! So cute! It's time now. I have 3 little calves to train, and then we're gonna bed all of these and feed them. Okay? Okay. The battery's gonna run low. Okay. Yeah, so yesterday didn't go as planned. Took the GoPro outside with me. Came down with a really bad migraine, didn't I? So, oh, get out little lamb. So we'll go with it again. We're just about to meal the ewes and the little babies and the little baby lambs. It gave a bit of a frost last night. Hold on, where could I put you? Could I do this one-handed with greedy ewes? Excuse me. No, 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 no. Excuse me. Ah, there's lambs standing in the other one. Beep, 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 beep. Seriously, you two are the greedy ones. These are the greedy ones. These are the greedy ones. These are 2 pets from like 2 years ago, and then the rest are all ewes that we bought. That might be going because we don't know if we're going to keep them. So they're actually outside, but with access to run in here. And every morning and evening I come out to feed the calves, the lambs are all lying inside in the comfort. But you also like to run in there. You do. Hello. Oh, out you come. No, out you come. It's because I'm standing here. Good girl. Where are you, boy? No, you're a girl. Oh dear. Does anyone else's dog go for cow cleaning? So we need to introduce you actually to somebody. Luna! This is Luna. Luna! And she's not going to come now because she's currently eating cow cleaning. Gross, Luna. Gross. So this is our little St. Bernard pup that we got the kids for Christmas. It's not really like, oh, a dog for Christmas. We toyed with the idea for a good while because we did have a St. Bernard. He was mine. We had to put him down about 6 years ago, and I've mourned for him ever since. And then an opportunity came up for another wee pup. So we surprised the kids with her, and her name is Luna, and she is a menace. Aren't you? Aren't you a little menace? Aren't you? She's still very much learning her boundaries on the farm. She thinks she's a cow, and then she thinks she's a sheep. You don't know that you're a dog. Oh, you lick my face and you've just had cow cleaning in your mouth, Luna. Gross. And then there's Jessie, who kinda is only really starting to get on with Luna. She growls and bites at her. But you're the best doggy. Jessie is like a proper farm dog, like knows her boundaries, knows what she should be doing, helps me get the cows round. This one, not so much, but she's so cute. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Are doing is this shed here is where we keep our replacement heifer calves, and so what we've done, we've just scraped away all the wet. I'm going to get run over. Hello? Scraped away all the wet sloppy crap that is along the front of the barrier, and then kept the dry bedding at the back. You can see. So we keep them up at a height and then just keep putting bedding on top of it, so they're up off the ground, and then scrape away all the wet crap from the front of the barrier. The heifers are currently up in the crush yard, so we've just scraped away all the uneaten silo as well from the passageway, and then Dale's away to take all that away, and then we'll let the heifers run back in. So, and we have 10 minutes before the school run. The first school run of the day, and Gracie's only in nursery, so it's kind of, you know, a bit of a rush against the time, so hurry up, Dale. It is currently 5:30 in the evening, and dare I say it, folks, there's a course stretch in the evenings. Anyway, it's milking time. Dale's already started, and I'm just going to push the cows around for him. The delightful wife that I am. Okay, let's go. Get the cows pushed around, and then I'm going to scrape, because the scrapers don't reach the whole width. I am going to be the robot and do that now. Calves all fed, goes fed, that is me, overnight. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Happy Thursday. Don't know if the camera's picking it up. It's snowing. Is the camera picking that up? Don't know. I mean, yesterday was a lovely, lovely sunny dry day, and then today it's snowing. It's snowing in around me, so we I've just opened this bale of straw because of all the calves to bed, and then I have a batch of heifers in there to bed. I've got my music on. I've been working away. I had a ewe lamb and quickly threw them into this pen so that I still need to like spray her and mark her and then put her out with the other ones, but it's her in there. And then this one here still has to lamb. So quickly threw them in there, took them out of the shed that I'm going to bed now, put them in there in temporary housing, and then I'm going to bed everybody. And already my fingers are frozen. I thought we were done with the frost and snow, but clearly not. Anyway, let's get some work done. Another job done, and now to go and feed the heifers way over there. Good morning, happy Friday. So here at Legendary Home Cleans on a Friday is PD scanning day, and I've been sent to get Receptol. I have no idea where it is. Receptol should be in the medicine cabinet, but it's not. Oh, wished. Got it. Dog, get out. So that's what we're currently at. The vet is here. Me and Dale picked the cows out this morning and the heifers. We run the cows back through the parlour again because it's more natural for them rather than putting them through a crush and making them unnervy and at ease. At least they're more relaxed going through the parlour. So that's currently been done now, and then we have a load of heifers, maiden heifers, which will be their first breeding season, due for scanning as well. So let's see how we get on with that, folks. Hello, this is a clip from Vicky Into the Future. So before I insert the footage, it is now Sunday evening. Hello. Before I insert the footage that I recorded this morning, Sunday morning, the previous clip before that was Friday morning of me going to get Receptol out of the medicine cabinet because we were scanning cows and heifers, and then I was going to show all that, and then the day just went tits up because I fell ill. So I've been suffering migraines all week. Fell ill, careful, fell ill. Was in A&E, back out, I'm fine, I think. Ina Grace is currently stuck on a gate. Can you lift your leg over the gate? Okay, we'll walk and talk. So didn't get to show you that, and then I filmed obviously nothing yesterday, and then this morning I just picked up the camera and started filming. Really, Ina? Started filming with no context. We'll go the other way. Started to film with no context, and then I've come out this evening to do like a last few clips to end this week's video and realised, okay, you haven't even spoke. So this morning was the guy who does the AI for us, started this year. Previously it used to be Dale, but we've somebody AI for us now, Richie Law. He did 3 heifers that was on this morning. Milk tanker was here, the calving pen was bedded, and a cow and a heifer was put in, and then it ended. So this is just a wee context video, and then after you see the clip of the cow and the heifer, you'll probably see something from me and Ina Grace this evening. We're feeding calves now, we'll push around the cows, and then that'll be the end of the video. Okay? You're almost done? Good girl. I do the rest. And that is me and Auntie Grace done for the day. And that is very dark. Can you see me? It's the end of the video. So go you if you've stayed to the end. It's been a bit of a mismatch because I just had a bit of a week. Don't forget to subscribe and like and all that jazz, and I'll see you whenever I do another video. Bye!